Good evening, y'all. And I'm coming at you with the Black Widow from North American Arms. Also not sponsored. I purchased this little guy a couple years ago. Nice little 22. As we can see, we're all safe here. Nothing in the cylinders. They're all empty. I got it taken apart here just so I didn't have to try and do it one-handed. It did come with a different grip. It was just a little stubby grip that had the Black Widow hourglass on it. And then I replaced it with this one I had ultimately seen on a different gun at a gun store. This gun comes with two different cylinders. In a previous video, I called them revolvers. But it does come with two different cylinders. One is a 22 long rifle, and this one is the 22 Magnum. So it will run both. And I have run both through it, and it shoots just fine. It's a great little 22. Oh, and another thing with this, you got these little notches in between the cylinders here, and that's ultimately where you can rest your hammer, so you can keep this guy loaded up while you're carrying it if you wish. And that's why I went with the different grip on it, because it comes with a little pocket clip here ultimately. And then right here where my thumb is, and right there, it locks into place. So now you have a little grip. And you just pinch those two little locking points there, and it folds back into that. Covers the trigger and everything. It's really nice. And I think that will conclude the video for this firearm here. I'm sorry I don't shoot them while I'm doing these videos, but here in the future I just might. Stay tuned.